Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Minute, where I'll be showing you how to install a dash cam on your Toyota vehicle. Let's go. For today's installation, I'll be using a Dongar dash cam adapter and a VIOFO A119 Mini 2. If your vehicle has an auto-dimming mirror, your setup should look something like this. And if your vehicle is not equipped with an auto-dimming or home-like mirror, fear not, because there's an option for you as well. I'll get to that in just a second. Since this vehicle is equipped with an auto-dimming mirror, let's go ahead and remove the plastic shroud. We'll start by tilting down the mirror and popping the smaller piece down. To remove the bigger panel, simply push down and away from you. With the shroud removed, we see a few connectors. The port we need for this installation is the one seen here. But the connector port right here is for folks without the auto-dimming mirror. This is usually a 12 or 16 pin port, so pop the shroud off and see which one you'll need for your Toyota. I'll leave a link to those options in the description below. With that out of the way, let's take a look at the Dongar unit. The kit comes with an instruction manual, a wiring harness, some short-length USB cables, and the Dongar module. Let's disconnect the harness by pushing in on the tab and pulling the connector straight out. We'll then take our Dongar adapter and install this end into the vehicle's connector port, this end to the vehicle harness, and this end to the Dongar module. Now that we know our unit is receiving power, let's go ahead and attach our dash cam to ensure all components are working correctly.
Please insert a memory card.
With everything confirmed, let's tidy up the cables and reassemble the plastic shroud. Don't forget to peel out the lens cover and find a clean spot on the windshield to attach the dash cam to. I'll route my harness up the shroud and place the Dongar module in the space here. And just like that, we are done. So if you're interested in one of these dashcam adapters, check out Dongar Technologies. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button or subscribe for more content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.